Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to click on Sound Recorder app and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. Then click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now click on the right one again, and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you were to rename it, you need to hold it, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select rename option and name your recording however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then choose save. If you wish to play it, just click on it. And tap on middle button. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it again, but this time select bin icon at the top right corner instead and tap on allow in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!